Ninoy Aquino International Airport Terminal 3 provides domestic and international flights in the Philippines. And as soon as we were inside at 5:30 in the morning, a sense of disbelief overtook us. Because our journey to the United States is about to happen. We pay our travel tax first at the counter. We're boarding a Delta Airlines flight to Ronald Reagan Washington National Airport, with a stopover in Tokyo, Japan, and Atlanta, Georgia. The first leg of our flight will be from Manila to Tokyo. At 8:55 a.m., the boarding starts. We're now inside Delta Airlines Boeing 767 aircraft, looking for our seats. Our seats are in the middle row. The economy seat is upholstered with comfortable blue leather and a blanket and pillow for our long flight. The seat has an off-white tone that gives an illusion of more space. The tray table is a single fold with a cup space holder. And the front pouch is filled with safety information, an air sickness bag, and magazines. The flight attendant handed over our wired earphones. It has a 3.5mm jack that can also use on any audio device. The seat back touchscreen is your friend for the whole flight. It provides you with movies, music, games, flight information, and more. It has a USB port to charge your device or read your USB flash drive. At around 10 in the morning, we're now 35,000 feet in the air, and the flight duration will be 4.5 hours. Lunch is about to start. They offered a warm tissue, table mat with a napkin, and bottled water. Then they handed us a menu. You can start your meal with a welcome cocktail. But I already started mine with a full course meal on a plate. They served braised beef in red wine with caramelized onions, carrots, and mashed potato. The smoothness of the mashed potato and the soft but crunchiness of the carrots gives a balance to the softness and tenderness of the beef that is glazed in aromatic red wine and the sweetness of the onions. And the steamed mushrooms added more savor to the meal. To cleanse my palate, I asked for a cup of ginger ale, and I took a bite of these fresh fruits. And the smooth toffee-flavored vanilla ice cream with caramel syrup finished off my enticing meal. And little did we know, we are already in Tokyo, Japan. Tokyo Narita International Airport is one of the busiest airports in Asia and serves as a major hub for many international airlines. Our transit time here at Narita Airport is only 1.5 hours, so we only have ample time to enjoy ourselves. This shop draws our attention with its wide variety of Kit Kat flavors. Their fancy pens, and their special section for matcha flavored sweets. We were just right in time when we arrived at the boarding gate area. We also have time to charge our devices and connect to the Wi-Fi for free. And our flight from Japan to the United States is now boarding. We're still taking the economy cabin on Delta Airlines, and this flight will be 12.5 hours to reach our destination.